senators continue to probe Pogos and its possible links to criminal activities. This week, dozens of Chinese nationals were nabbed by immigration officials in a village in Parañaque and are now facing deportation after failing to provide work permits and other documentation. Ria Fernandez with the story.
37 Chinese nationals illegally working in the country were arrested by Bureau of Immigration personnel in multinational village in Parañaque City. The Immigration Bureau's operation came after homeowners in the village started expressing concern about the influx of Chinese nationals in their neighborhood. The office of Senator Raffy Tulfo also coordinated with the Bureau about these reports.
Most of these people walang dokumento, walang maipakitang dokumenta at all. Nothing. Hingan sila ng passport, wala. ID, wala. Wala. So, anong ginagawa nila dito at paano sila kapasok? Pangalawa, may mga nakapagpakita naman ng dokumento, working permit, pero yung working permit nila hindi tumutugma doon sa nakalagay sa mga papeles.
Tulfo said it's also possible that illegal POGO workers are targeting to live in private villages and high-end subdivisions to escape surveillance from authorities.
Meron din mga nagrerenta dyan, mga Chinese nationals. Halimbawa, ang going rate para sa isang bahay doon, bungalow, say 50,000. Ipaparenta yan ng 400,000 pag Chinese. So, sisiksikin niya ng mga Chinese na dapat ang mga tao nakatira lamang dyan, say, dapat 4, 5 at the most. Titirahan niya ng 30, 40. Now, kung paparenta yan na overpriced, may mga kuha ng mga cut dyan. Pag sila sa mga exclusive subdivision, hindi sila basta-basta masita. Pag humingi sila ng search warrant sa korte, mahirapan, hindi basta-basta kasi exclusive yan. Ano yung mga gagawin mo dyan sa exclusive village?
Residents in multinational village welcomed the arrest of the Chinese nationals illegally working in their area. They're also hoping for authorities to do follow-up operations to ensure safety in the neighborhood.
We're not against the Chinese per se. It's just that we want to have that peace of mind that the people living, the Chinese people staying in our village are legit or legal aliens, diba? Hindi yung undocumented and no papers at all. How many more of these undocumented and illegal Chinese nationals are staying in our village? Feeling po namin, meron pa sa mga, houses and all. Hindi pa po na-check.
The arrested Chinese nationals were brought to a jail facility in Taguig and will be facing deportation for engaging in business activities without a work permit. Senator Raffy Tulfo has filed a resolution urging the Senate to investigate the influx of Chinese nationals in Parañaque and whether it has ties to illegal POGO operations. Senators are currently deep in investigating POGO operations in the country, especially after shedding light into the case of Bamban Mayor Alice Go. Committee on Ways and Means Chairman Senator Sherwin Gatchalian said the executive session with intelligence agencies revealed ties between POGO operations and criminal syndicates.
Kinilabutan ako dahil nga na-confirm ng ating mga intelligence agency yung kinakatakutan natin na lumalalim na yung ugat nitong POGO. Yung kanilang galamay umaabot na ngayon kasama na yung mga lokal na criminal syndicates natin. At hindi malayo yun dahil hindi naman natin pwedeng alisin na mayroon din tayong mga local organized crime dito. Yung mga nagbebenta ng drugs, yung mga KFR, kidnap for ransom, at base sa kanila, nagkakaroon na ngayon ng interaction itong dalawa.
With this, Gatchalian insists with fellow investigating Senator Risa Ontiveros that it's time to put an immediate ban on POGOs in the country. For News 5, Ria Fernandez, We Are One News.